Yeah, now let's revise it again. Let's read the question carefully. Here completes the text. That means you need to focus on the last sentence. Let's try again.
A.
You think it's letter A, but I don't think so. But we need to know why A could be wrong. Because it does not cover all the evidence mentioned in the text. Yes or no? Look here for the second sentence. However, there exists a certain evidence, such as, so we have examples for it. The fossils show in their decline even during, and the geological proof that different. This proof this one. So does it one correct? That the catastrophic event believed to be the cause of the extinction was not the reason, but was the reason. So what's the reason? Because they found geological proof. So here he said not. Now it must be letter D. He said here neither the purported extinction event was complete nor the catastrophic. It means they don't know what is the reason exactly. Did you make? It means they are not sure right now if that is the reason or not. Yes or no? Because they said some dinosaurs become extinct, but other species are not. If this means they are not sure. That's why. Feel it? So letter D, it could be the best answers. Of course, for letter C, we don't have any evidence for it at all. So that's why. So complete based on the evidence in the text. Why not? Let's try the next. Number 18, what's yours? Did you answer it?
Yeah, A.
So you think it's letter A? And the letter A? No, my dear friend. Why not try again? Let's try. He said here complete, right? He said therefore. That means we have reasons, we have evidence, and then we need to know what could follow. Let's read it.
C.
So you think it's a letter C, but I don't think so. But why C is wrong? Because this option talks about only legal validity. Isn't it? Open legal, but it does not implying any social constructs are not needed in judicial proceedings. It as mentioned. Let's prove together why B it is correct. So in legal proceedings, as you know, in legal results, in legal consequences, in legal outcomes, facts, the existence of social instruction is an essentiality rather than a supplement for law itself. So because law itself is a social construct, this is in legal issues, we need something already happened, already reality, not about guessing. Do you imagine?
Mm-hmm.
As he mentioned here, while killing or snatching, an article is a reality independent a reality, not only human interaction or mutual human agreement. If people agree or not, but it's a reality or not. So that is related. Something else related to legal. Legal refers to law. If we are talking about the word law, but here the existence of social construct is something essential for the legal. That's why. Why not? Let's try the next. Number 19, what's yours? Mm.
D.
Yeah, I didn't voice for speaking. So you make it letter D and the,
No. D.
no, it must be letter D.
What?
Yes, it's a C. He said policymakers found what? Found something mentioned before because find here refers to something mentioned before. And found what exactly? What is to be quite a challenging process? He describes something as a challenging process. A challenging process is singular, so it must be singular. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Why not B? Because B is plural. Why not C? So here we know it's a singular. All right, so this means A and B wrong. Why not C? Because after it's we need noun. To check.
Mm-hmm.
That is a point. What is the next? Mm. You can see that.
Okay. D.
So 20, it is B. No. Let's try
No. D.
B. No, my dear friend. Let's try and prove together why A correct. We need why A. Now follow the rules. We have semicolon. Is before it complete sentence? I must go and check by my eyes. From the beginning, from full stop to the semicolon. Is this a sentence or fragment? Sentence. How did you know? Object, and then non-essential information delete, verb, and then phrases delete. So we have subject, we have verb, and then we have phrases to complete the meaning. So it is complete sentence. So complete sentence, semicolon, complete sentence, full stop, correct. But wait, check after the semicolon. Is this part complete? Let's check it. Now let's see. Delete the preposition phrases to check is this sentence or not. At a range of about, right? And now this is part, a non-returning boomerang, code to subject, and then verb, and then object, and then phrase delete. So now we found the subject, we found the verb, and then phrases to complete the meaning. This is correct. So A correct. But wait, why be wrong? Complete, comma, splice mistake. For letter C, complete, full stop, correct. It's correct. That is means C again correct. So it's wrong. But wait. Now, this is one wrong because complete, nothing, complete correct. Do you imagine?
Yeah.
But that is it's correct. But what's the difference between A and C? The difference is the second sentence is an explanation, like calling, like that, to something mentioned before. So it's better to use semicolon, not full stop. That's why C is wrong. Do you imagine it? Feel it? So
Yes.
grammatically correct, but the following is closely related to something mentioned before, like explanation. So it is correct. That's why. What is next? Yeah, come on, you can see.
Okay. D.
Letter D, correct. Because we have comparisons. Remember, as I told you, if it must be like that, you don't need to have noun before, after, I mean. So this one, it is correct. That's right. Now what is next? If you answer it at home, you can see the answer. If it's correct, we skip it. Wrong, we answer again, as you know.
D.
So letter D again. Letter D, no. Let's prove together why B it is correct. Together. And let's revise. Now always read it from the beginning to the end. But the problem is that all of it one sentence. Let's see. Specifically referencing modern social media sites such as, and you see, explain that the term refers to a mental construct people form of their audience, and then without real insights into who is. Now, as I told you, this is preposition phrase or not? Yes. Can I
Yes.
can I separate the preposition phrase from what it modifies? No. So that means this is come in the wrong place. I cannot separate the phrase from what it modifies. So it is wrong. But wait, why is wrong? Why is wrong? Because I cannot make this part non-essential. Because non-essential, as you know, means you can delete it. It does not affect the meaning. But how? Here it affects the meaning. It's related to the content. So you cannot make it non-essential. So A is wrong. Now again, after semicolon, it must be sentence. So from this word to the end, is this part sentence or fragment? Number one, delete the phrases, delete the clauses, delete the non-essential information. After deleting all of this, check what is left. Now let's delete. Who is close? So who is actually consuming their online content? Close, I delete. And here, phrase, I delete. So what is left? Nothing. Nothing means not sentence because there is nothing. That's why I told you, delete phrases, delete clauses, delete non-essential, and check the rest. But there is no list. That means it's not sentence because all the information after semicolon there isn't the clause only. That means there is no sentence. That means he is wrong. Do you catch it? That's why. Now let's go to the next.
A.
23, you make it A. So why do you think it's A? But let me help you. We have common hack being started, it's wrong. So B is wrong. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. And your sentence from the beginning to the end, this part. Let's check. Why say to start? The financial crisis there escalated. Subject, verb, out of control in the mid, and then we have comma. This is comma means, but folks, complete sentence, comma, and then information. Full stop, correct? This information must be phrases or clauses only. So this part cannot be complete sentence. Why? Because if you make it complete here and complete there, it will become a splice. But this part must be not complete. Now to start with the collapse. So to do the action to start with the collapse, the financial escalated? No, this is not, there is no reason. But verb plus ing correct. Why? Because this action done by this one. Who is going to start with the collapse of the credit? The financial crisis. And as I told you before, complete sentence, comma, verb plus ing, most common structures in sentences. This is verb plus ing starting here. Related to this subject, if the structure here it is correct because we need a phrase after, not complete verbs like this. So is wrong. Because this is verb, you need subject. What is the subject? This part